Hey guys, it's Marina from Draw with Marina. I know my channel is niche towards art and drawing, however, I do occasionally do some tech reviews that assist in improving your productivity and workflow. I recently got an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I know I'm a little late to the game, so this isn't a review of the functionalities of the iPhone, but rather an unboxing of some various gadgets. So I'll be talking about the PopSocket grip with MagSafe compatibility, the JetTech tempered glass screen protector, the Apple MagSafe Charger, a charger stand, and the Anker MagSafe portable battery charger. So I've recently upgraded my iPhone 13 Pro Max to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the first question is, are they the same size? And the answer is no. Which brings me to my first purchase, the phone case dilemma. I really wanted to save some money and use my old case, but no can do. They are off by a smidge. And not only that, there's this new action button that the iPhone 15 Pro Max has. I really loved my iPhone 13 Pro Max OtterBox and Pop Symmetry case, so I went on the hunt, and of course, OtterBox doesn't make this version for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I then spent copious amounts of time looking at the OSnap ecosystem, having owned their previous generations. Their advertising was on point, and their newest 4th gen did fit all of my requirements, however my fingers were just used to the PopSocket mechanism. So I did forgo the OSnap and the OtterBox and went to PopSocket and got the opalescent, clear, round phone grip with MagSafe compatibility. Next up is the screen protector. And no, unfortunately, the iPhone 13 Pro Max screen protector did not fit on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I found this highly rated product off Amazon, the JetTech tempered glass screen protector. It was fairly easy to install and also came with a camera protector for the back. Which brings me to my next product. 2020 called and said I needed to get a MagSafe charger. I decided to get one off Apple because I wasn't about to risk a third-party MagSafe charger on my brand new iPhone and potentially risk burning down my house, so I thought that keeping it within the Apple family would be safe. Also, I got this foldable MagSafe charger stand off Amazon, which is clean and minimal and looks really great on my nightstand. Just attach the MagSafe charger and voila. Finally, I needed a MagSafe battery pack for traveling and was disappointed that Apple stopped selling them. According to 9to5mac.com, they state that Apple has stopped selling both the MagSafe battery pack and the MagSafe Duo charger following the launch of the iPhone 15 with the USB-C. The reason for this discontinuation is pretty obvious. They were iPhone accessories that featured lightning ports for power. Okay, so can't they just create a new one? So here we are, back on Amazon again, and I did have to go to a third party for this one, and I went with a more reputable brand and got the Anker magnetic portable battery charger. With this battery pack, it's super simple. Just like the Apple MagSafe charger, pop off the back of the PopSocket and slap on your phone. So there you go, the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the JetTech screen protector and camera protector, with the MagSafe PopSockets case, the Apple MagSafe charger with a sleek stand, and the Anker MagSafe portable battery charger. To shop all of these gadgets, visit my Amazon storefront, link in description. Thanks for watching. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.